Here I'm going to show you how to do the experiment for the rotational dynamics lab. So as you've seen in the previous video, the setup consists of having the iOLab device housed inside a duct tape roll, and we're going to allow the duct tape roll to roll down an inclined plane and then fall onto a pillow that is placed below for it to land on. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have the gyroscope sensor turned on. So because we're going to record data for how the object rolls on the surface. So the pertinent data is omega, or the angular velocity, as a function of time. And you can see here that the angular velocity is measured about three axes, the x, y, and the z axes. So we're going to record all three data as functions of time. So once you have the apparatus set up, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit record, and then we will record data for a few seconds, maybe 5 or so seconds, and then we will let it go. So I've let go of the device, and then it fell onto the pillow below. So if you look at the data, you will see that there are three data sets here. The red and the green lines correspond to omega x and omega z, namely rotation of the iOLab device about the x and the z axis. On the other hand, the blue data set corresponds to rotation of the device about the y axis. And you will see that all three are consistent with 0 up until the point when I let go of the duct tape roll and it started to roll down the inclined plane. As it rolls down the inclined plane, omega y increases as a function of time, and then at some point it falls off the incline and then is in free fall until it falls onto the surface of the pillow below. So at this juncture here, it fell onto the surface of the pillow. So this is how you will collect data for your experiment.